In this video, it's about Microsoft Visual Studio Copilot. So when you try to install the Visual Studio Copilot extension, it first time it asks you to log in. So there is a login, the options comes up here. I can't replicate that because I need to log out. So what happened there is once you log in, then you should be able to access the Copilot. So this was working for a while, then all of a sudden it stopped working. Then luckily this is reported under the GitHub Microsoft VS Code Copilot release, the issue 5161. So this is the error I was getting: failed to sign into ghe.com. So what you need to do there is there are different discussions around this thread. The one which I worked is one which Vishak mentioned on February 18th. This is fairly new error it is, so I believe some people getting this. Okay, so what I did there is it says C colon users VS Code extensions we need to go and make sure the auth provider GitHub is. So what I did is I went to C colon slash user slash, here we go, that's the one we want, code slash user. So let me open that. Okay, so here it is. So as you can see here, it's under your user profile. It is so user, whatever your user logged on Windows username is, then the app data roaming code user. Okay, there you can see settings.json file, and this is what it's going to look like, the settings.json file. Make sure this here, this auth provider should be GitHub. Mine it's GitHub with something else, advanced or something. I can't remember exactly what it was. So I removed that, and all of a sudden it started working then. So that's what you need to do there to get this working. Hope this is useful. Thank you for watching.